Dude, now I'm going to tell different problems in exponents. Those problems start like this. That is, here they start with this problem. They give for this one 3 square means you need to multiply 3 by itself 2 times. 3 times of 3. So this one going to become 3 times of 3 is 9. So this is equal to 9. In the same way 2 power of 5 means you need to multiply 2 by itself 5 times. This becomes 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2. 2 times of 2 is 4. 4 times of 2 8. 8 times of 2 16. 16 times of 2 32. So this becomes equal to 32. Let's take another one. Here they are giving out 5 cube, and this one here they give 5 times of 5 times of 5. So this one will be equal to 5 times of 5 is 25. 25 times of 5 is 125. So this one will be equal to 125. Now you need to find out what's the value of 10 power of 5. This means you need to multiply 10 by itself 5 times. After multiplying 10 by itself 5 times, you're going to get 10 times of 10 100, 10,000, 10,000, 100,000. So this is 5 zeros in front of 1. That's the 10 power of any number. Now if they ask in the same way, what's the value of 7 cube? That is 7 times of 7 times of 7. 7 times of 7 is 49. 49 times of 7 is 343. So this one is equal to 343 is the answer for this one. Here they ask one more problem they give, that is how to find out the value of 11 power of 2. 11 power of 2 means 11 times of 11. 11 times of 11 is 121. And they even ask for to find out what is 3 power of 5. 3 power of 5 means it is 3 times of 3 times of 3 times of 3 times of 3. 3 times of 3 is 9. 9 times in all of them 2 is the common base. So take 2 as the common base and add up the powers. That is 3 plus 5 plus 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So this one will be equal to 2 power of 15. To multiply any exponents, either the base must be same or the power must be same. Here they are giving bases as same. Let's take one more problem. Here they are giving 3 square times of 3 power 5. Here also both of them have base 3. So you can take 3 as the common base and add up the powers. That is 2 plus 5. So this becomes 3 power of 7. Let's take one more problem. Here they are giving 5 square times of 5 cube times of 5 power of 5 times of 5 power of 10. In all of them, take 5 as the common base. You can take 5 as the common base and add up all those powers. You're going to get us 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 10. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. This is going to becomes 5 power of 20. Let's take one more problem. Here they are giving 7 square times of 7 power of 5 times of 7 power of 9. Here also in all of them base is 7. So take 7 as the common base and add up the powers. That is 2 plus 5 plus 9. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. It becomes 7 power of 16. At last, let's take one more problem. Here they are giving 11 square times of 11 cube times of 11 power of 5. In all of them, 11 is the common base. So take 11 as common base and add all those powers. That is 2 plus 3 plus 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 becomes 10. Yes, Jorg the singer, thanks. And it becomes 11 power of 10 is the final answer for this. Let's take one more problem. Here, how to multiply when they give negative exponent. 2 power of 8 times of 2 power of 5 times of 2 power of minus 3. Here also, take 2 as the common base and add up the powers. Adding up power means that minus won't change by anything. If you subtract this minus become plus or plus becomes minus. 8 plus 5 will be equal to 13. 13 minus 3 is 10. So it will be equal to 2 power of 10. Let's take one more problem. 3 power of 8 times of 3 power of minus 5. Here also Take 3 as the common base and add up the powers. 8 minus 5. Adding means not changing symbol. Here you get it as 8 minus 5 is 3. So this becomes 3 cube. Let's take one more problem. 5 power of 3 times of 5 power of minus 5 times of 5 power of minus 7. Here also take 5 as the common base and add up all those powers. 3 minus 5 minus 7. Here also you going to get 3 minus 5, which is will be equal to minus 2, because 5 minus 3 is 2. Symbol remains for bigger one, and minus 2 minus 7 both are minus, so add that one. 2 plus 7 is 9. Since both of them have minus symbol, that also remains us minus 9. This remains us 5 power of minus 9, or you can simplify it as 1 by 5 power of 9. Let's take one more problem. Here they are giving 11 square times of 11 cube times of 11 power of minus 7. Here also the same way. Take 11 as the common base and add up the powers. 2 plus 3 minus 7. 2 plus 3 becomes 5. 5 minus 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. And bigger one symbol is minus, so it remains as minus 2. 11 power of minus 2. In the same way, take for 10, 10 power of 1 times of 10 power of 10 times of 10 power of minus 20 times of 10 power of 5. Here also in all of them base is 10, so take 10 as the common base and add up the powers. 1 plus 10 minus 20 plus 5. Here also 1 plus 10 will become 11. 11 minus 20 means 20 minus 11 is 9. Symbol remains bigger one, so it is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 5 minus 4. So this becomes 10 power of minus 4. Or this 10 power of minus 4, you can write it as 1 by 10 power of 4. This 1 by 10 power of 4 means 1 remains above. In denominator, 4 zeros in front of 1. It remains as extremely smaller number. I tell now about positive and negative exponent number. If you take any positive exponent number, you're going to keep on multiplying. 2 power of 8 means you multiply 2 by itself 8 times. You're going to get, after multiplying, extremely big number, a very big number. In the same way, if you take the same number as negative exponent, you're going to get this number in the in denominator. You get it as 2 times of, first you get it as 2 power of minus 8 as 1 by 2 power of 8, and this 2 power of 8, if you expand in denominator, you get it as 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of, like this 8 times. So when the positive exponent is extremely big, negative exponent going to become extremely small. I tell in the explanation with this number, that is with 10. Here if they give 10 cube means it is 10 times of 10 times of 10 cube means its meaning is 1 in front of that 0. So that if it is 10 power of 10 means 1 in front of which there are 10 zeros. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Here 3 3 3 4, 10 zeros. How the exponent number increases, the number become extremely big. In the same way, if they give negative exponents, it becomes extremely small. That is 1 by 10 square means it is 1 by 100, or you can write it as 0.01. In the same way, 10 power of minus 5 means it can be written as 1 by 10 power of 5, or 1 by 1 in front of which 5 zeros. If you convert it into decimal, it becomes 0.00001, extremely small number. Now I tell how to multiply when the powers are same. Here they are giving 2 square times of 3 square times of 5 square. In all of them, 2 is the common power. So take 2 as the common power, multiply inside terms. 2 times of 3 times of 5. 2 times of 3 6. 6 times of 5 is 30. So it becomes 30 square. Here let's take one more number. 3 cube times of 5 cube times of 7 cube. Here in all of them, cube is the common power, so take cube there and multiply inside terms. 3 times of 5 times of 7. 3 times of 5 is 15. 15 times of 7 is 105. It is 105 whole cube. Let's take one more number. Here they are giving out 1 power of 5 times of 3 power of 5 times of 10 power of 5. Here also in all of them power is 5. So take 5 as the common power, multiply inside 1 times of 3 times of 10. 1 times of 3 is 3, 3 times of 10 is 30. This becomes 30 power of 5. Here let's take one more problem. They are giving 2 power of 7 times of 10 power of 7 times of 5 power of 7. In all of them power is 7. Here take 7 power of 7. In all of them power is 7. Take 7 as common power and multiply inside terms. Now you going to get it as 2 times of 10 becomes 20. 20 times of 5 is 100. 100 times of 7 is 700. This becomes 700 times of power of 7. In the same way, if they give negative exponent also, you can do it out. 2 power of minus 3 times of 3 power of plus 3. This negative exponent, you must make it positive by taking that complete thing to denominator as 1 by 2 cube times of 3 cube. This 1 by 2 cube can be written as 1 cube by 2 cube or half whole cube times of 3 cube. Here take cube as common and multiply inside numbers half times of 3. Here you cannot divide denominator and numerator. 3 times of 1 is 3. Below 2, 3 by 2 whole cube. I tell more concepts in next videos. Now bye.